Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope you're having a productive day so far. So I'm Paul the Connector, and I'm back with another quick how-to video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to have an unfair advantage when it comes to social media marketing. So this is a way that you can do bulk social media posting, so you don't have to manually, go on social media every day and post. So what you want to do is you want to use ChatGPT. This is a way that you can go about it. So I'm using this to create engagement with my target audience. So I'm trying to ask them questions to get them to answer and respond to get their feedback. Another way you can use this is if you have like a product you're promoting or you have an event coming up, you can use this social media planner to schedule this out in advance. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to open up Google Sheets so you can have like this is a spreadsheet right here. And what you want to do is you want to section it off like this. The A column should be the date, and then the B column should be the post. In this example, it says post question, but like I said, it could be a product or a service you're promoting or an event that you have coming up, or however you want to do that. So you want to list out all the dates, and then all the questions I have. I got these from ChatGPT. I modified some of them, but this is the list that they gave me just to get started. Okay, so after you get this, you want to save this file, and then you want to go over to My Automation Suite. So My Automation Suite, this is the social media planner where you can schedule out all your social media posts. So let's say you go to New Post, create New Post. Now you can select all the social media accounts that you have connected to the software. So in this example, we're going to connect Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, YouTube, and our private community. Then we're going to click this button right here to customize each channel. And then, like I said, you can put the post right here. Or what we want to do is, though, we want to create a faster way to do this. Instead of us, this would do a fast way to posting it out at one time. But if you want to do it like a bulk submission, you have to do this. Hold on one second. To do the bulk submission, you go to New Post. And instead of going to create new posts, you go to upload from CSV file. So right here, this is where you upload the file that we created earlier. And the only thing you have to do is upload the file, and it's automatically going to schedule it out for you because you already have the date set up and you have the post content set up as well. So that's pretty much it, and then it's scheduled to go out, okay? So that's just a quick tip on how you guys can have a unfair advantage when it comes to social media marketing.